here is the Artist Lounge. So we are making some updates, improvements, changes. You can find us under Li-Fi Design with Nicki Traikos. The Artist Lounge is the paid membership where we make all the art and have all the fun. But I want to show you around once you're in Substack. So this is the homepage. As you can see here, I've got that highlighted. And here is where you'll be able to see all of our popular posts, all of the access to recording, who I'm following and loving too, and then some links to direct you. So this is on the Substack app. When you join, you have access to everything I'm going to show you. So here I post some notes, so similar to what you see in Instagram, on social media, and sometimes it's just sharing members' artwork, like this one here from Chris. So good. Look at that book. Oh my goodness. We've been making so much these last few months, and it's really been a fun way to spend my creative time. So we have some creative book club chats. So you'll see that, and I like to share just things that are inspiring me in the moment. As a paid member, you have access to our private chat. This is where we connect, share work, ask questions. This is where I hang out and answer questions too. So it's locked unless you're a paid member, okay? I do have a link to my website here. We'll just skip over that. Here, what I've done is I've sorted our most popular posts and things that you get access to when you're a paid member. So here are all of our creative book club chats, recordings of our chat, and just information on our creative book club. This is something that I've opened up to everyone. That might change. We'll see as we make changes, but this is where you can find all of our past creative book club sessions. Now in this tab here, you can see our painting sessions. So everything that we've done since starting in June of 2025 is found here. So every month I host a live painting session. If I can't paint with you live because I'm traveling that month, then I record a lesson for you to enjoy and watch. And they now most recently go about an hour and a half to an hour and 43 was our last session together. And this is an opportunity for us to work on whatever the month's theme is. So we did a sketch and paint session here, and we sketch and paint together, chat, you can ask questions, I demonstrate supplies and things like that, and we have a great time. It's my favorite part of the month, to be honest. And then here you can look at all of the previous PDFs. Every month we create a really comprehensive PDF that takes you through the theme to help introduce you to what we're working on, to give you a chance to get yourself sorted, get those creative juices flowing, and get prepared for our painting session. So this is your self-study part. This is the part where I want you to explore our theme, explore the topic, look at your sketchbook. How can you work in your sketchbook in relation to that theme? Everything that we've shared to date is here, easy for you to find. Now, if you want all of the posts, because I do share additional information, so here are my simple 30 days of drawing challenge tips that I shared, just some announcements from the studio. We did Creative Sparks independently, but there are opportunities for you just to be inspired a bit more and for me to share a little bit more with you. So that can be found on the archive. Now, anytime you can go back to the homepage as a paid member and look through to see what we've shared, what we've been working on, if you're kind of needing just a little bit of a boost and inspiration, okay? So that's how you would navigate on Substack, the membership, Li-Fi Design with Nicki Traikos, the Artist Lounge. And again, I am open to whatever questions you're having in terms of how things are organized. I decided to reorganize the top header here based on an email I got from someone who was having difficulty navigating. I am all ears. I want to make this process and experience as easy and enjoyable so that you can just get to creating and painting with me. Okay, so I hope this helps, but this is the Artist Lounge and everything that you get. Keep in mind that every single PDF, painting session, invite, etc. will be emailed to you directly. So if you don't want to use the app and you've just signed up, expect an email for that month when you join, giving you access to what it is that's coming up next. Now, you won't get access to previous emails. You'd have to come to Substack to download those and to access those. Okay, again, let me know if this was helpful and if you have any other questions. I'm so excited for all of the changes and updates we're making, improvements, and just being able to paint with you and enjoy making art together.